हाय सर.
हाय.
आपण आपल्या आता स्टुडिओला आहोत. तर आज आम्हाला एक वॉक थ्रू पाहिजे.
डेफिनेटली.
वी वुड जस्ट लव्ह टू फॉलो यू. तर तुम्ही तुमचं बेस्ट केलेलं फर्निचर काय कन्सेप्ट काय असं सांगितलं तर आय थिंक वी कॅन
नो प्रॉब्लेम.
टेक दॅट वॉक थ्रू.
सो वेलकम टू मिनिमल स्टोक. बेसिकली आपण आउटडोर फर्निचर डिझाईन अँड मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग
बरोबर
प्लस आर्ट गॅलरी.
राईट.
दिस इज द स्टुडिओ आहे आपला हा बाणेरमध्ये. सो काही म्हणजे व्हॉट एव्हर वी डू वी कन्सिडर इज अ स्पेशल. पण काही गोष्टी तुम्हाला दाखवतो. जसं मिनिमल स्ट्रोक मध्ये आम्ही स्विंग्स ह्या सब्जेक्टवर खूप काम केलेलं आहे.
बरोबर.
कारण झुला हा आपल्या कल्चरला खूप जवळचा सब्जेक्ट आहे.
बरोबर आहे.
आणि आम्हाला असं वाटतं की कंटेम्पररी पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह मध्ये झुले होत नाही, खूप ट्रेडिशनल होत आहे.
बरोबर.
त्यामुळे आज मेट्रो लाईफला रिलेट करणारे कंटेम्पररी पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह मधले झुले या सब्जेक्टवर आम्ही खूप काम केलंय. वी हॅव अ व्हेरी ह्यूज डिझाईन पोर्टफोलिओ ऑफ कंटेम्पररी स्विंग्स. दिस इज वन ऑफ इट.
दिस इज वन ऑफ देम.
सो याला
म्हणजे
ॲल्युमिनियम आणि स्टेनलेस स्टील फॉर कम्प्लिटली आउटडोर पर्पज. प्लस याला आम्ही स्वतः डेव्हलप केलेलं मेकॅनिझम आहे विच मेक्स इट usable from both the sides.
Oh, nice.
So this
Switchables.
is what we designed. Then we have some special products like this.
Okay.
This is a swing and dining concept together.
Okay.
So you can
Oh, acha.
Sit on this like have a sit.
Oh, nice.
You can have a sit and dine.
Yeah.
So basically I call this as therapy.
Okay.
So fundamentally you are supposed to eat taking your own time.
Barabar.
In today's metro life that is lost. So have this on your
This is amazing.
Farmhouse or something and just
हे बाहेर फार्म हाऊस मध्ये किंवा लॉन मध्ये ठेवायला किती छान आहे हे. Too good.
This is what we designed.
Yeah. बघूया पुढचं.
Yes. So this is a product from our wood log series. So we use a lot of wood logs. These are from Bali, Indonesia.
Okay.
These are very thick, seasoned wood logs. And rather than selling wood logs,
right,
I am interested in creating something amazing out of it. So हे विकर मध्ये आम्ही त्याला एक कव्हर केलेलं आहे with your own lighting.
Wow.
So evening time you can off all the lights and just have this ambient light. आणि डिझाईन पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह कसं आहे म्हणजे इथे तुम्ही बसलाय तर दिस इज अ टिपिकल फॉर्मल सीट.
करेक्ट.
विच यू कॅन एन्जॉय युअर फूड ऑर कॉफी ऑर समथिंग. बट अगेन दिस अँगल इज बीन डिझाईन इन सच अ वे दॅट यू पुट दिस पिलो हिअर and you sit on this and this becomes a lounger.
Yeah, like a lounger.
Okay. Or this open space gives you ample space for having your food or
play games,
playing games or something like that.
Correct.
So that is how the organic design is.
Lovely. Yeah. These are really amazing, sir.
So this is my art gallery. So इथे आम्ही प्रोफेशनल शोज कंडक्ट करतो. आर्ट शोज. आणि this is where we encourage original art.
Okay.
So we only promote good artists from pan India.
Okay.
आणि वर्षातनं 7-8 शोज असतात इथं.
Wow.
प्रोफेशनल शोज.
Amazing.
आणि this is how it is. So
Lovely. Amazing place. कारण का पुण्यात असं बघायला गेलं तर लोक नाही आहेत अशा आर्ट गॅलरीज पण अवेलेबल होत नाहीत. When you have to put up something. So I think this is a very good initiative.
As I was telling you, the low sitting is very close to my heart. So this is one of that. Okinawa म्हणून हे प्रोडक्ट आहे.
बरोबर.
So you can sit and check the comfort.
Yes, absolutely.
And याला मागं आपण बॅकला आपण लाईट दिलेली आहे. So again outdoor environment असेल, सेमी आउटडोर असेल तर त्याला तुम्ही ह्याच एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये ह्याच एम्बियन्स मध्ये युज करा. बाकीच्या लाईटची गरज नाहीये. अँड द अँगल इज बीन डिझाईन इन सच अ वे दॅट यू गेट अ प्रॉपर कम्फर्ट.
करेक्ट.
मांडी घालून बसू शकता. कसंही एन्जॉय
करू शकतो. एक्झॅक्टली.
सो दिस इज व्हॉट वी.
अमेझिंग.
आणि मग वी ऑल्सो लाईक नॉट ओनली ट्रेडिशनल टेक्नॉलॉजीवर पण आम्ही तेवढंच लक्ष देतोय की आता हे एक्सपोज ॲल्युमिनियम फर्निचर आहे. बरोबर. जे आपल्याकडे जवळपास म्हणजे कमी लोक बनवतात. ही प्युअर ॲल्युमिनियम आणि एक्सपोज ॲल्युमिनियमचं हे इंटरनॅशनल डिझाईन लाईनवर डिझाईन केलेलं. बरोबर. सो अगेन कमिंग बॅक टू द स्विंग्स. हे double splittable केलेलं आहे.
Nice.
So anyhow you can sit and enjoy.
For couples who make up and fight का?
Yeah. So it depends. Like see, we joke around that couples who fight. But frankly, this is the best way to converse.
Absolutely.
Okay. So once you are sitting here like this, okay, and somebody is sitting here, this is the best angle.
Absolutely.
Very comfortable to converse.
Truly.
So that's how. And then you pay attention to details.
Yes.
Like these are stainless steel 304 grade ropes.
Correct.
And these are high tensile ropes. The ropes which are used in lifts and all.
Correct.
So that is a kind of quality we use. So any kind of weight on this is not
an issue.
Issue at all.
Right.
So this is a new set we are just launching in an upcoming event. So these are like all fully outdoor purpose, indigenously designed products. And again, like you have a lot of swings is something which goes a long way.
Yeah. I think swings and everybody loves swings in India.
Yeah, every house you'll find people
wanting swings.
Yes.
And we've always had that like छान roller coaster आपले ते unique होते पूर्वी.
So this is Caesar swing, we call it Caesar, and this is from where my swing design journey started.
Okay.
So this is the first swing I designed, and it is still a very favorite design of my clients. So this was designed along with the Japanese sitting which I'll be showing you. So this was the first swing we designed, and then the whole journey of designing contemporary swing started.
Wow. What makes it special?
Basically it's minimalistic, as you see.
Right.
There is a aesthetic value of it.
Yes.
And it is being minimalistic, it is very, very comfortable. Because we have taken care of the required depth, required comfort. And then you have a very nice,
hobby
kind of a interactive element.
Absolutely.
So this appeals to all, basically.
Yes.
So we enjoyed a long relation with this thing.
Brilliant piece.
Yeah. So this is Japanese sitting.
Yes.
As I mentioned, that the first low sitting which I designed.
Yes.
So this is basically a typical low sitting where you have to sit low, and to our surprise, people have liked it, people have admired it, and people have taken it.
Right.
So there was a concern that people understand this lower sitting.
Correct.
But yes, people have really admired,
appreciated it. Yes. And this is
and these are typical outdoor furniture.
Right.
So
they're like more like like beach beds.
But
combined.
Though being typical outdoor furniture, the designs are not typical because we have nurtured those designs ourselves.
Correct.
So we have a commitment that every design will be our own design and our own value creation.
Yeah, I mean I can totally see those going on a beach resort.
Yeah. Come, I'll show you something very interesting.
Absolutely.
So as I mentioned, that swings is a part of our journey and a passionate journey about swings. So we have a dedicated special area for swings.
Wow.
So come.
Lovely. Stairway to heaven.
This is where minimal
the magic takes place,
soul lies.
Wow, look at that. That is so beautiful. खूपच युनिक आहे. मला सगळ्यात जास्त तो वाला आवडला.
That's a day bed.
It's a family.
Yeah.
Family झुला.
So this is.
How did that concept come? सगळ्यांना एकत्र भांडणं करायला लागले.
Kids love it.
Yeah.
So basically, with large families and all, people just want it.
And plus the kind of the support bearing support 100% असणार त्याला. Lovely.
And even the wood is
absolutely
a keen dried, moisture controlled, stable wood, like not a usual recycled wood what we see in the market.
Exactly.
these rotating mechanisms we have ourselves designed. So
right. Correct.
How it is.
हा फीचर तर खूपच युनिक आहे. And plus म्हणजे the way it is designed, you need to keep your phone or something like that on the side.
It is required.
It is required.
You need some accessories around.
Absolutely.
So
amazing experience. तर तुम्हाला पण नक्कीच मिनिमल स्ट्रोकला या आणि definitely visit the store. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.